you are one of Theo's grandmas or aunties, feel free to click off of this video right now because I don't want to show you what this is. So I've made one. These are little handprint ornaments that we are making for Theo's grandparents and aunties and uncles. So I have these little, I actually need to grab a couple more of them. I saw a set, I think it was on Pottery Barn. It was like $20 for a kit to make an ornament. And I was looking at it and it's basically just clay and then this little, I think it's like a quilting loop is what it's called. But you can find them at Michael's. I think these were like $1.30 each maybe. And then the clay was maybe around that. So I think altogether the supplies for it are like, I don't know, $3. And then I'm going to tie a little bit of ribbon on it. So there's a little bow and then the spot that it hangs from. And then on the back, we'll just write his name and the year. And I just thought that was such a cute little gift to give to his aunties and grandparents. But it was like $20 for a set, which was crazy. So I figured I would just make it myself and buy the supplies. I don't know. I get that it's like the easy way out, but it's really not. You still have to make it if you buy the kit. So anyway, that is what I did. So I am going to make, I only made the one. I need to get more clay. They didn't have any more white at the Michael's that I went to, so I need to go to a different Michael's and get more clay. Basically for 2 minutes, I'm just gonna knead the clay to get it as soft as possible. So yeah, I'm just gonna knead this and then we will put Theo's hand in it and then bake it and we'll be good to go. So I think this is a super, super easy craft to do if you have a little one and you want to remember how tiny their hands are. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. All right, I just rolled out the clay. I wanted to make sure I had enough room to cut it like a cookie cutter once I do his hand. The beauty is if you don't get it on the first try, you can just roll it out again until you get it. Got it the second time. And now I'm just going to center this and push down. And then we'll get all of the clay out from the sides. And then you just bake it at 275 for 15 minutes. So I'm gonna do that now. I went to Michael's today and got the rest of the materials I needed for our handprint ornaments. I did want to make some progress on these so that we can cross this off the list. So I am going to roll out all of, I bought more clay. So I'm gonna roll out the clay and try and get these done. Okay, ready? Let's spread those fingers out. Whoop! Let's spread those fingers out. Yeah. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. Is this gonna be a good one? It is, look at that one. That was a really good one. Yeah. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times. All right, all the handprints are ready to go into the oven. Today is the day we're finally decorating our tree. We've had it up for a week. Yeah, we've had it up for a week. This is the longest it's ever taken us to actually put the ornaments on. So we're gonna decorate Theo's first tree. I got a different Santa hat. If you saw the other day, I had that huge one. So I got this one. Theo's gonna be nice and festive for decorating. I'm gonna put the ribbon on the tree and Adam is unpackaging all of the ornaments. So we have this whole bin full of ornaments that we will go through. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. We're gonna take an eating intermission and then hopefully he will want to play on his playmat so that I can put the ribbon on really quick. What do you think? Lunchtime? Making angels in the sand, you ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. I just finished feeding Theo and now Adam is putting him down for a nap, but he put some more ribbon on the tree while I was nursing him, and then also unpackaged all of our ornaments. This is our ornament collection. So it's pretty big. We haven't had enough room to put all of the ornaments on the tree in years past, but because we have such a big tree last year and this year, I think we'll be able to put basically all of them on. We'll see. But I'm gonna finish up. I'm gonna add some more ribbon and then fix the lights at the bottom, and then we'll start putting ornaments on. I think I showed this last year, but the ribbon is literally just like placed in there, and we use the ribbon that has the wire. So if you use the ribbon with the wires on the sides, you can bend it, and then you just literally like twist it around a branch on one end, put it wherever you want it, and then twist it around the branch on the other end, and then you don't have to worry about doing the whole spool of ribbon and it getting tangled and crazy and whatever. So I think this is a much easier way to do it. I'm going to just start in this area and then move to a different area. I think that'll just be easier this year. So let's put some ornaments on the tree. Good job! Are you undecorating the tree? Look at Theo from last year.
Well, it's just the same.
Yeah. Not quite. Are you gonna put that ornament on the tree, Bobs?
Hold on.
Can you hold on to that ornament for Dad?
Well,
Okay, you got it. Are you gonna put it on the tree? Oh, okay, is that where it's gonna stay? Right there, is that where you want it? Is that the perfect spot for the swan? Good job. The tree is done except for this 2020 ornament that we need to put a photo in. But other than that, all of the rest of the ornaments are on the tree. This is what our tree looks like. I'll show you later on too when it's a little bit darker out so that you can really see the lights and the garland lights and the stockings. I feel like this view is a little bit better because you can see the garland and the stockings and the tree and then the village. So I'm very happy with it. I think last year when we were putting the ornaments on the tree, I showed you guys some of them, and not all of, but the majority of the ornaments are sentimental. My parents always got me an ornament every year, and so I want to start that tradition with Theo. So we're gonna get him an ornament this year, and then someday when he moves out, we will give him all of his ornaments so he can put them on his tree when he's an adult. I just think it's such a fun tradition. I have drool all over me, so don't mind that. But yeah, I need to figure out what ornament we're gonna get for him this year, but it's usually something that goes along with what's going on in your life. So we'll get him like a baby's first Christmas ornament of some sort. And then obviously like as things happen, so like when he turns 16, we'll get him a car ornament. When he turns 21, we'll get him some sort of like an alcoholic drink ornament, and you get the idea. So that is what we do in my family, and that has made our trees like really sentimental, and it's so fun to pull out the ornaments every year and just look at all of them and see, just like remember all of the memories. This one is a rental house that I rented when I moved back to Michigan. My mom made a paper mache version. That is from our honeymoon. That is my 21st birthday ornament. Then we always have a pickle because it's good luck, and it's supposed to be, I forget what nationality it is, but it's a tradition that whoever finds it has good luck for the year. And we have one from our trip to Savannah. I got that camera one when I started my blog. That one is so cute of Theo. Anyway, I'm excited to do that tradition with our family now. I am up at the office. I'm packaging up the initial necklaces right now. So all of these are gonna go out today. I just needed to finish packing them up, packaging them, and then I need to pack them in all of the actual envelopes and drop them off at the post office. So that is what I'm doing right now. Theo's hanging out with grandma at my house. And then we'll see what else we get into. But I figured you guys love to see like the behind the scenes business stuff. So I figured I would pack up some orders with you. Theo is taking his first nap, although I don't know what he's doing. He's moving around a lot. Anyway, I have about a half hour before I need to leave. I'm going to get my hair cut today. I haven't had my hair cut since before Theo was born, which is crazy. He's 6 months old today. And the girl who cuts my hair, Sarah, she lives right by my parents' house. So I'm actually just gonna drop Theo off at my parents, and then my mom will watch him so that I can run and get my hair cut, and then I will go pick him up afterwards. But while he's sleeping, I figured I would do the ribbon on the handprint ornaments. I have them all right here, and then I just wrote on the back like who they are to, and then on ours I just put Theo 2021. And so my first step is to put it in the ring, and then I will put this on the outside of that. And I'm just trying to make sure that this part is at the top because that's where I'm gonna tie the ribbon. So I want that kind of centered at the top. That looks good. And then I'm just going to tighten this, and that will keep all of it in place. Like you can see the space right here. I'm trying to get rid of that space as much as possible. And also you can move it. So I want to make sure that it's like nice and even. Once it's in there, I'm going to tie ribbon around it. Initially I was trying to make it so that it was one piece of ribbon that was the loop and also the bow, and it just was not looking good. So what I decided to do was just make a loop separately, and I'm just taking a piece of ribbon. This is 5/8 of an inch wide, and I'm just tying a knot, and then I cut it. So let me do it. I'm just taking the ends, and it's flat here. So taking the ends, and then just a regular knot, and while it's still kind of loose, I'm just pushing it down as far as I can to the bottom. And then once I have it as tight as I can get it that way, I'm gonna pull it apart and tighten it up even more. And then I'm gonna cut this little nub off, but leave a little bit so that the knot doesn't come undone. So it should look like that. And then I'm gonna make sure the knot's in the back. So I'm taking this ribbon, I'm gonna fold it in half so it fits in that little hole. And that is how the ornament is going to hang. And then you can see the little knot in the back. And I'm just going to cover that up with another piece of ribbon that will have the bow in the front. It'll be easier for you to see this way. So you can see the knot in the back, and then this is where it'll hang. So I'm taking another piece of ribbon and I'm going around it just like that. So it's kind of securing the knot in the back and securing this so it doesn't fall off, but then also creating a bow for the front. That is the finished product. I think it turned out so cute. It was unbelievably affordable, pretty easy. So if you're looking for a gift idea for aunties or grandparents or something, and you want to do a little gift like this, there you go. I will link all the supplies that you need down below. This one isn't ours, but I did just want to show you what it looks like hanging on the tree. I think that turned out so cute. Theo looks like he's waking up. So I'm gonna go get him. My hair is unbelievably dirty. I'm like slightly embarrassed for my hairstylist to even see it, but I am getting it cut. So she's gonna wash it. I was gonna wash it last night, but I figured she was gonna wash it anyway. So I will take it down so you can see how long it is before I get it cut. All right, this is what my hair looks like before. I can't get my arm far enough away to show you my full hair, but I am just gonna get a trim. So just enough off to freshen it up. Like I said, it's been over 6 months since I got my hair cut. I got home a bit ago. Oh, I'm so staticky. I can't even, oof. I hate this time of the year for the static. But I got a little bit off of my hair, not a ton. She cut, I think, like 2 inches off. So nothing crazy, but it's nice and fresh. It feels so much healthier, and just, it was getting so tangled so easily. And she always blow dries it straight, which I just like flip my head over and dry my hair. So it definitely feels like straighter and flatter than normal, but that's okay. I will wash it in the next couple of days. Oh my gosh. This static though is driving me crazy. Anyway, I just wanted to show you the after of my hair, and I'm gonna work on the rest of these, get these done so that I can put them in bubble wrap and ship them off or package them up or whatever I need to do. Anyway, I just wanted to show you the after of my hair. It's not dramatic at all because I just got a trim. I'm gonna keep it long for a bit. I do that thing where I want it shorter, and even right now I'm like, I wanted it shorter, but then I cut it and I regret it. So I controlled myself today and I did not cut it. So that's that. Anyway, I'm gonna go and keep working on these. Our entire schedule is messed up today because I got home later than Theo's second nap time. I just got him down a bit ago, but it's like he should already be getting up from his nap, but he just went down. We'll see how the rest of the night goes.